What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel with your local flow prodigy. If it's your first time on the channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and in this video we're going to be going over three things. We're going to be going over the proper way to hold a bodyboard. We're going to be going over different ways of jumping into the flowrider, and then last but not least, how to steer left or right on the bodyboard. Let's get into it. Alright guys, first things first. Pause. Quick disclaimer before continuing the video. If you guys happen to check out the board that I'm currently using right now, this is my double nose fully customized bodyboard, usually used more by the advanced riders as you go along in your skills. Now, as if you're just starting to get into the game, this would be more of the board for you with a rounded tail and a flat edge. Alright, back to the video. Alright, so you want to take your bodyboard and plant both hands on both sides of the board with a nice firm grip, while also allowing both elbows to equally lie on top of the board on the side, and also having the bottom of the board laying on your pelvis or your lower stomach. Now, when it actually comes down to laying the board down and following all the steps that I just showed you for how to properly hold the board, it'll make your control a lot easier with either leaning left or leaning right in the water. Now, on to my favorite part, how to dive onto the flowrider. Now, as much of an easy step that this actually is, you can just as easily fall and wipe out if you don't position your body to face the right direction. So first you want to walk up right next to the water with both knees slightly bent and both legs slightly spread apart, while also holding the bodyboard exactly how we talked about in the beginning. You want to make sure that you are facing exactly straight forward where the water's coming out of the jets, while slowly diving forward, landing on your stomach and hanging onto the board at the same time, almost like diving onto a slip and slide. The same thing also works if you're diving off the top of the wave, where you stand right at the edge, holding the board on the side and falling to your stomach, again, like a slip and slide. This next entry isn't something that I see a lot of beginners do, but anyone can slide into the wave this way. You want to take both your knees on top of the board, get your firm grasp on the side of the board as you normally would, and then just slide your knees down and let the water do the work for you. Last but not least, how to steer left and right on your bodyboard. Let's get into it. So when riding on the board, jumping back onto the wave, you want to make sure that you have a nice firm grip with both hands equally on the board. Now, when riding on your bodyboard, you do want to make sure that you keep both feet pointed and flat out on the wave. You'll notice that you have a lot more control with staying straight. Now, when leaning on your bodyboard, the steering goes leaning left to go left and leaning right to go right. Now, as you can see, with both elbows off the board, I can still turn and lean side to side. But at the end of the day, you will always have a much higher level of control over your board and steering when continuing to keep both elbows flat on both sides of the board. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, definitely show some love and also hit that red subscribe button. And I will see you back on the next one.